To draw a motorcycle helmet, start by going up and then around the corner and then sort of around in a nice curve, and then when you're about parallel down there, do a little curl like that and then curl around the bottom and join up on the other side again.
If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload new videos to help you improve your creative skills.
Let's get that right in the middle there. Now let's go kind of 2/3 up around this way here. We're going to do a curl around there and then curl around there like that, like a little hook, and then we're just going to drop down a little bit like that and then come around, so it's kind of following this curve around here, and then it wants to curve upwards like that. Now here we're going to want to have a circle bit there and a little bit there, so this is kind of the knob bit on the side which holds the plexiglass bit on, and then we're going to want to see a bit of the inside, which is going to be sort of coming down around here like that, and we'll bring that like that, and then it's going to come up at the front, just kind of sort of face protection, and we want the kind of thickness of the padding on the inside, we'll sort of see like that. And then we want something similar on this side, so that will go up there and around like that. Let's put a little bit of decoration on the top. That's this little flash coming in there, and then we can do a kind of another flash coming up there like that. Now we can add a bit of 3D-ness to this and sort of shading quite simply just by drawing these sort of downward lines, getting a bit longer all the time, and then those will be a bit shorter, and then we can maybe have some here as well, going up, 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 like that. We want to know that it's sort of shiny plexiglass, so we can do that. And then to completely finish off, to put it on the table, we can put some shadow in around the back like that. And there you go, how to draw a motorcycle helmet real easy. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos. And in the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.